is for Aster. B is for Bluebell. C is for Carnation. D is for Daisy. E is for Edelweiss. F is for Forget-Me-Not. G is for Geranium. H is for Hibiscus. I is for Iris. J is for Jasmine. K is for Calancho. L is for Lily. M is for Marigold. N is for Narcissus. O is for Orchid. P is for Petunia. Q is for Queen Anne's lace. R is for Rose. S is for Sunflower. T is for Tulip. U is for Ulex. V is for Violet. W is for Water Lily. X is for Chrysanthemum. Y is for Yarrow. Z is for Zinnia.